In this video, I'll guide you through how to export form submissions in HubSpot. If you're collecting leads or responses through HubSpot forms, being able to export that data is really useful for reporting, sharing with your team, or analyzing it in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. I'll walk you through the entire process from finding your forms to exporting the submissions in the format that works best for you. First, you'll want to navigate to where your forms live inside HubSpot. Once you're logged into your HubSpot account, look at the main navigation bar at the top. Hover your mouse over the marketing section. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Forms. This takes you to the central place where all your HubSpot forms are listed, whether they're on landing pages, pop-ups, or embedded on external websites. On the Forms page, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find a specific form by name if you have a lot of them. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right form, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Once you've found the form whose submissions you want to export, move your cursor over that row. When you hover over the form, a few options will appear, usually off to the right side of that row. Look for the option labeled Actions. Click on Actions to open a small drop-down menu with more options related to that specific form. In this drop-down menu, select the option called Export Submissions. This is the command that tells HubSpot you want to download the data that people have entered into that form. When you click Export Submissions, HubSpot will open a window or panel where you can choose how you want the export file to be formatted. Now you'll choose your preferred file format. HubSpot gives you several common options: CSV, XLS, or XLSX. If you're not sure which one to pick, here's a quick guideline. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a very simple, universal format that works with almost any spreadsheet program or data tool. It's a good default if you plan to upload the file somewhere else or use it in different systems. If you know you'll be working in Microsoft Excel specifically, you might prefer XLS or XLSX. XLS is the older Excel format, while XLSX is the newer one that most current versions of Excel use. XLSX is usually the best choice if your version of Excel supports it, especially for larger datasets or more modern workflows. Take a second to think about where you'll use this data next. If you're sharing with colleagues who all use Excel, choosing XLSX keeps everything clean. If you're importing into a CRM, a data tool, or a different platform, CSV often avoids compatibility issues. Once you've selected the format that makes the most sense for your needs, confirm the export. HubSpot will prepare the file, and depending on your account setup and the size of your data, it may either download directly to your computer or be sent to you via email as a downloadable link. After the file is downloaded, open it in your spreadsheet program to quickly scan the data. Check that the fields and column headers look as expected, so you've exported the right form and all the information you need is there. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully exported your form submissions from HubSpot, and you're ready to analyze, share, or back up your data however you like.